Hi, today get ready with me to go make micro twist for 40,000 naira. All right, let's go. Wait a minute. I'm the hairdresser. Hi guys, I'm Yvonne and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing micro twists. So the time frame for this video is anything from 5 hours. The video is obviously not going to be that long, but I'm just trying to tell you how much time you're going to need to invest to get this hairstyle right. Don't forget to subscribe before you even start watching, so you can see other videos that I've made in the past that are going to be very helpful to you. Thanks for watching in advance. So the things you're going to be needing randomly: spray bottle with conditioner. This is the conditioner I'm going to be using. The conditioner said that it straightens hair, and I don't mind having my hair into bits. Wait, processed hair. Wait. Jesus Christ! Faith! Strategically. Apparently, this is for processed hair. This says processed hair. I think it was for natural hair. My hair has been feeling all soft and fluffy since I used it during my last wash day. You can check out the wash day video. It's gonna be up there somewhere. And I just thought, let me use it because it was very effective in terms of softening my hair. But I think this is not for natural hair or, you know, virgin hair, as people call it. So we'll still use it. We're still going to use it though. We're still going to use it because why not? But yeah, you're going to be needing your leave-in conditioner, spray bottle, your comb, scissors, and then the kinky hair extension. So you can do this with your natural hair too if you don't want to use added extensions. It's just the same pattern. Tiny, durable, beautiful. I'm going to start. First thing you need to know is I pre-parted my hair. I did it already because nobody has time to start doing all of that right now. I'm going to start from the bottom one. I might show you that or show you later when it comes closer to the top. Tucked my kinky into half. So tiny the kinky, the longer you stay making the hair. But yes, that's the beauty of this hair. This is a little too big even, but yes. The length of the first one is definitely going to bounce back after some time. But one down, 1 million to go. this hair. But before that, tell me how much you love it in the comments. Tell me whether you're going to be trying it in the comments, because I think you should, because it is absolutely lightweight. I cannot explain how light this hair is, and you can already see how beautiful it looks. But really, I think you should do this. It might take you forever if you're like me, or you might just be faster, and you can even enlist the help of your family members the way I did. Just anything to get this hair done, because you absolutely want to style this, you want to rock this, you want to slay on this hairstyle. In my subsequent videos, I'm going to be showing you how to style this hair in so many ways, because what's the point? I made it because I want to style it. So if you make this, don't just pack it in a bun everywhere you go. I'm going to be giving you a lot of styling options. So subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You should make sure you subscribe. If I've gone through all this to make this tutorial for you, subscribe already. Make me happy. Put a smile on my face, because I'm trying to get to 1K before the end of this month. So I really need you to share this video to someone and tell them to subscribe to my channel. Recently I hit 100k views on YouTube. I know, I feel so happy. Maybe I'm overexcited, but it tells me that you're watching my videos, and more people watching it. It makes me so happy. So I really need to get to 1k at least. Let's hit that milestone. We're already at over 900. So I'm counting on you. Subscribe, share this video to your friends, group chats, everywhere, your Instagram stories, your WhatsApp stories, Facebook stories, Twitter, everywhere. And if you like this hairstyle, you know what to do. Leave a comment, share, like, subscribe. Till next time, I'm Yvonne. I love you, and I'm saying bye.